For task 1, the first thing that we were required to do was to design a chocolate box for our own chocolate company. This figure that we had to choose was required to be three-dimensional. As a group, we thought of many different three-dimensional shapes. We wanted it to be both practical yet to a challenging degree at the same time. We ended up settling on this square pyramid shape shown below. Our next step was to draw a diagram of our chocolate box, which is this image here. Following this, we needed to figure out how much material was needed to make this box. This question was asking us to find the surface area of the pyramid. To do this, we first had to give our shape measurements. We settled on our square base being 10 centimeters each side. Our triangles were 15 centimeters in height. To work out this diagonal length here, we then used Pythagoras' theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, as we knew this was the hypotenuse. So we used only half a triangle and did 5 squared plus 15 squared, which in the end we received an answer of roughly 15.81 centimeters. Now that we had all the measurements, we were able to find the surface area. We split the pyramid into two sections, with the square base being area 1 and the triangle being area 2. For surface area 1, we just had to multiply 10 times 10 using the formula s squared, which gave us an answer of 100 centimeters squared. For surface area 2, we used the formula a half times b times h. Subbing in our values, we did this, 10 times 15 times a half, which ended up giving us an answer of 300 centimeters squared. We then added our two answers together to get a total surface area of 400 centimeters squared. The last question in part 1 required us to find out how many chocolates with a volume of 4 centimeters cubed could fit into our box. We then used the formula a third times b squared times h, which when we subbed in our values looked like 1/3 times 10 times 10 times 15, which gave us an answer of 500 centimeters cubed. To then find out how many chocolates fit in the box, we divided 500 by 4, which gave an answer of 125. This meant we could fit in 125 pieces of chocolate into our box.